Hi everyone, in this quick video we're going to demonstrate how you can enable or disable the red ringer LED on a Panasonic DECT phone model or series KX TGM420 and 450. So first of all, what is the red ringer LED? We're referring to this light here on the handset or on the base unit that lights up when you have an incoming call. So first, let's demonstrate how this looks like. We're going to pick up another phone and we're going to start an intercom call. First, I will call the handset. You can hear it, but you can hopefully see the lights over there. And we're going to do the same thing now, but for the base unit. You can see that here on the base unit as well. So maybe you'd like to disable that or enable it, and I'll show you now how you can do that. So all you need to do is, by using the handset, go into the menu by pressing the right soft key and then type hash 278, and this brings up the settings for the handset. Okay, and we have the capability to enable the light for an incoming call when we get a new message, as well as for missed calls, alarm, and then back to incoming call. So for now, I'm just going to disable this by pressing the left soft key for incoming call, and then confirm with OK. After I do this, you can already see that I have the same possibility, but for the base unit. So you can already do it now if you'd like, by selecting base unit, or I will show you how you can get directly to the setting for the base unit separately if you want to do it at a different time. So just like before, press the menu key, but this time it's not just the hash key and the 278, it's hash plus star. And that actually, as a tip, every time you add a star next to the code, that controls the base unit. So we're just going to press hash star or asterisk and then 278. Now we can see that even though incoming call was disabled for the handset, it is enabled for the base unit. So we're just going to select this one as disabled and confirm with OK. We get a little beep. And now we can close this, put the phone back, and try to call by using the other phone again. So just as before, I'm going to call the base unit first. And hopefully you can hear. Base unit's actually ringing, but there's no light. You can increase the volume. It's a little bit easier to hear. Okay, I'm just gonna end that. And then do the same, but for the handset. And hopefully you can see here handset 2 is calling. And you can hear it, but there's no light. Alright, so that's how you can enable or disable the red ringer LED on a Panasonic KX TGM420 and 450 series. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.